You got 8 presents, huh?
Yes. Don't have any more presents. That's all there is paper.
You all done?
Yep. No, Sydney.
This is all Sydney stuff back here?
Yep.
No more presents? You sure you checked everywhere? Under the tree?
Come on. Daddy. Dad.
What?
What about Mom? What about Sydney?
That says Sydney.
What? There's 2 guys.
What's that? Is that something in the tree? Is there something in the tree? No, there's not anything. There's just ornaments. Over there. Is that an ornament?
Oh.
What is that? Is that a present?
Yeah.
What's it say on there? It's not for Colin, I bet.
Yes, it is.
No. What's it say?
Colin, Santa gave me it. Oh, yes.
What do you think it is?
Knew it.
What is it?
I knew it. It's Santa can bring me this.
What are you gonna? What Santa brought you?
It's the girl stuff. Also, this is the girl stuff. My ODS. Yes. My ODS.
You got a DS?
You got a DS? Right here, yes. I got it.
Are you happy?
Yes.
What'd you tell Santa you wanted for Christmas?
A DS.
And what did he give you?
He gave me a DS.
Yes. Is Santa awesome? You must have been a good boy. Were you a good boy?
Yes. I'm happy.
Oh. Come show Mommy and my camera. Who gets to play with that?
Me and Daddy.
Aw, who else?
You.
Yeah.
And Sydney.
Yay!
And me.
It's your own DS that
Everyone can play it.
you can take it everywhere.
Yes.
Do you love it?
Everyone can play it.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Jeez.
Now you get to
Mom,
put your game in it.
If I chew it, don't throw it in the trash can because it's new.
That's right. Do you love it?
Cheese, yes.
I'm on video. I'm taking a video. I'm not cheesing. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
For everything.
Cheese.
Yay. Okay, well, let me go. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.